Hi, today I want to share with you how I align with the telescope my Finderscope, who is not well aligned, and it's hard to find objects like planets. After you can see, the Finderscope has some crosshairs, and we take that box, that conditioning air box, like an example. So it's not centered. That building is far away, I don't know, maybe 600 meters. And for adjusting the Finderscope, we have to look first through the telescope with an eyepiece. And low magnification eyepiece, in my case, is 20 millimeters. You can have 20, 25, 30, it's no problem. And the building must be far away, like 500-600 meters. So we take the eyepiece, put them in the focuser. First of all, we look through eyepiece. We see that box. We have to see that box right in the center of the field of view of the eyepiece. And after that, we have the Finderscope. Without moving the telescope, we don't want to lose that box, conditioning air box. So we have these two screws. One of these, it's left and right, up and down. So when we adjust this, we look through this Finderscope. So we take the first, let's see. This is left, this is up and down. Let's see the other one. Almost done. Too much. It's very easy, very simple. Some minor adjustments we need. So, as you can see, that box, it's right in the center of the Finderscope, that crosshairs. And now we can look one more time through the eyepiece. Again, you see that conditioning air box centered, well aligned. So only adjusting these two screws. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye bye.